is up, YouTube gang? It's your girl Maya, and today I'm going to be pairing with WorldNewHair. What is up and what is poppin', YouTube gang? It's your girl, your fave, Maya, back to the back at it again with some bomb content, y'all. I am so excited to be presenting to y'all another beautiful install, this time brought to you by WorldNewHair. So it's springtime. I know we're trying to look like baddies, trying to be out with the old and in with the new. So today we're going to be doing a beautiful brown colored unit that I'm super excited to get into. So if you are new, make sure to hit that bell and my sub button so you can stay updated on all my weekly content. And without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So, like I said, I am pairing with WorldNewHair. This is a brand I've never paired with before, so I'm excited to see how their units are. I always style my wigs off of camera just because it takes me like 2 hours to bleach the knots, pluck the wig, style it, and girl, that's gonna be a lot to edit. So I just like to show you guys my install and show you how you can slay your wig. If you do want to see an in-depth on how I prep my wigs, then comment below and I'll make sure to film for you. WorldNewHair is obviously a wig company, and I really like that they sent a whole bunch of little gifts. It's the lashes for me, the bald cap for me. We're not done. The secured headband thingy for me. I've wanted one of these for so long. It basically like makes sure your wig does not slip. So we could try this today. Here is their card. You can post a video or an Instagram picture and get up to $500 back in cash. So make sure you tune in to their Instagram, follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube at world_new_hair. What else do we have? Oh, we're not done yet, girl. They also gave me a adjustable strap. Ooh, yes, I needed another black scarf. Yeah, we're using this today. WorldNewHair. And then just some cute little pins. So they definitely are super considerate about what they put in your packages and make sure you get a little extra goodies. So that's really nice. Okay, boom. So like I said, springtime is definitely giving me lighter colored vibes. Winter was for sure my black moment. Like black wigs in the winter was just me. But now that it's springtime, I feel like this color is just it. It's essential. So I'm going to be working with this beautiful highlighted brown unit. Now this originally did come straight, but I decided to spice it up and give it a light body wave with a side part. So, some things you should know about this. This is an HD unit. Now, if you go and get your hair done, most hairstylists are going to say bring an HD unit or invisible lace. So, it's good to know that WorldNewHair does have the HD units, and we're going to see exactly how it melts into our skin too. So, we are up close and personal as we should, so you guys can see all the details. But first, y'all already know I was bald. Listen. Y'all want to see a bald cap video? Let me know. I have so many, so I just feel like it's super unnecessary for me to show y'all. But this is my this is my skin melt bald cap method. Basically, just pull it over, glue. We don't use spray that dries out your edges. And yeah, it gives you that skin-like bald cap. The first thing we need to do is disinfect our forehead. Listen, we are all about building a strong foundation, and the best way to do that is making sure there is no excess dirt or oil on your skin. Like, we don't have time for that, so we're just gonna boop, 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 boop. Perfect, okay? We're clean. So working on building that strong foundation, primer is definitely essential because it primes your skin and it gives that glue, basically like a second surface to stick onto and layer onto, so that it's not directly onto your skin, and this thing is going to stay. My last install that I had, it was so hard to get it off. Mind you, I had it on for almost 2 weeks, and I did the same exact method, and girl, it was not going anywhere. So that just goes to show that having a strong base definitely is going to make your installs last way longer. So when you're putting your primer on, just trace it in the pattern you're gonna trace your glue in, and yeah. All right, y'all. So I know in the package that they sent me this, what would you even call this? A grip headband or something? I don't know. I saw it on Instagram though. And these are good for glueless installs, but today we are doing a glued install. But if you do want to do glueless, Or if you just want to be super secured in your glue, then I definitely would recommend one of these. So let's try it out. So it looks like this. It's silicone with a whole bunch of little grippies on it to basically hold that wig down. Oh yeah, she gonna be secure. We honestly like don't even need glue. I feel like this might give me a headache though. It really might. Okay. Oh yeah, for sure. This thing secures the wig. But I don't know, I could never do a glueless. Like, I need my junk to be very secure. I love this color, it's so pretty. We're gonna have to freshen up these curls just because when you start to do your wig, everything kind of moves and stuff. So this definitely would, as in this, I mean this headband, definitely would help for a glueless, but it's just so tight that I know it's gonna give me a headache. So we're just not gonna go there. So a couple things when you first put your unit on. Let's talk about the color. I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. We need to pin her back because I need to cut my ear tab out. Cutting your ear tab is very important because it makes the wig customized to your hairline. So we follow to the top of our ear, making sure we are not on any tracks. You don't want to cut on a track because then you're just messing with the construction of the wig. Okay. The glue I'm going to be using today is from Hold. I used to use this glue all the time, but I haven't used it in a while, so I'm excited to get back into it. So I really am feeling how this lace is melting, you feel me? Like, I just know that it's definitely going to be a melt today, so I'm excited for that. But honestly, I think we could do 2 sections and be fine. So I don't know if it's just me, but like, this is how I like to lay my glue. So I'll take my glue and open it and take like the back of a, what was this? This was a bald cap. This was a bald cap packaging. And I take some glue out and I put it on here. And it helps me smooth the glue so much easier. And it just looks so much like cleaner. So I just take a nice amount of that glue and put it on here. And then use it as like a little paintbrush. Okay, so now we are ready to glue on. I look so cute in brown hair. Like, I really do. As I should. So let me pin this back. Take some of our glue. Take this amount. And then we just spread her nicely. So with my other glue, I only do 1 layer. But I honestly might do like 2 layers of Hold because it's not as strong. But as y'all could see, I'm spreading it a little bit on the bald cap, but mostly on my skin. I know this is probably gonna go about down to here. So it's honestly just about knowing your hairline. So yeah, we're just going to put this glue under every section. So the lace is now laid down, as y'all can see. I really love how seamless it is on my skin. The glue needs to set though, so what we're gonna do is take that scarf that WorldNewHair provided us, and we're going to set this for about 30 minutes. Just press it down real good. Once this wig sets, I will get back to y'all so we can cut it and finish styling this hair. We definitely gotta redo the front of it just because these curls fell. But yes, I'll talk to y'all in 30 minutes. Okay, y'all, so it's been a little minute or whatever, and I have taken off the scarf, and I also just went ahead and kind of hot combed my hair down a little bit. Really easy, I just went and hot combed it. But as you can see, like, get into the lace, please. This wig is so beautiful. I'm in love. I'm in love with this color. I'm in love with the melts, y'all. So I don't even want to add edges to this. That's how much I love this HD lace. So what I'm gonna do is take my razor, y'all know I stay using my razor from the beauty supply, and just quickly go in and carefully cut this, cut in an upward motion, leaving a little bit of the lace. World New Hair, you definitely got my pass on this one. Hold on, y'all. This is bomb. World New. I love this. Look at how pretty it is. Like, you don't even need edges or anything. That is how beautiful this unit is. So definitely a huge pass for me from World New Hair. This unit is so soft. The lace is undetectable. And you definitely need to add this to your spring wig collection. So I love y'all. Thank you for tuning into this install, and I'll see you next video. Bye.